Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. Today, I am going to show you how to earn Google Play points easily. First, you should switch your Google Play account. To earn Google Play points, some counties support for Google Play points. Some countries not support, but you can easily change your Google Play country. To change Google Play country, please check my video description. After change country in Google Play, you can see Google Play points here. In my account have only 5 points. Let's see how to increase points now. Open your Google Chrome web browser. And type play.google.com. Then you will see your Google Play Store. If you're not signed here, you should sign in with same Google Play account. Open the Google Play points. Then you will see task 4, earn Play points. Let's complete the task. I am going to install this app for my device. After this message, check the Google Play points. "10 points added." Let's check using Google Play Store app. Give a comment. Is it work or not? Subscribe me to future videos. If you have any suggestions, comment me below. Thank you.